How many hours do you waste weekly rewriting the same meeting invites or status updates? As an AI engineer or ML practitioner, your time belongs to innovation, not inbox purgatory. This skill gives you transformer based NLP pipelines for contextual intent recognition, fine tuned BERT variants that adapt to corporate tone, and vector databases that map email threads to draft templates. We're talking production grade solutions, LangChain integrations for agent memory, PyTorch optimizations for low latency inference, and Prometheus metrics for performance tracking. If you're a senior NLP engineer automating workflows, a ML scientist standardizing communication, or a data engineer building internal tools, this is your shortcut. Let's turn reply all into go all in. Here's what's inside the Building AI Email Drafting Agent skill. First, a production-ready NLP pipeline that uses Spacey v3 and Hugging Face transformers to generate context-aware drafts. Second, a customizable template library with Jinja 2 macros for dynamic content insertion. Third, a grammar correction module powered by Prose BERT. Fourth, an analytics dashboard built with Grafana that tracks response rates and tone consistency. Fifth, pre-built integrations with Exchange Online and Gmail APIs. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation, it's your new competitive advantage. Installing the Building AI email drafting agent skill takes one command: npx quanta skills add Building AI email drafting agent. That's it. You'll get the complete skill: expert level guidance, production Docker files, and battle tested Python templates using async.io for concurrency. This drops into your Claude Code workspace instantly. Your next session will auto-detect the agent framework, pre-configured to suggest drafts during code reviews or system alerts. Imagine your AI assistant now knowing to flag urgent client escalation patterns or generate quarterly burn rate summaries. Will save you 12 hours a week, and maybe your caffeine addiction. Ready to reply less and build more?